In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a debt tracker in Notion using a ready-made template. This is a simple way to keep track of your balances, payments, and due dates in one place. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for Debt Tracker or a similar finance template, then click Use this template to add it to your workspace. Once the template opens, replace the sample data with your own debt information. Add details such as the lender, current balance, interest rate, minimum payment, and due date for each debt. If needed, customize the database by adding properties like payment status, priority, or payoff goal. You can also remove any fields you don't need. Use different database views, such as table for detailed information or calendar to keep track of upcoming payment dates. Update your balances and payment progress regularly so your tracker always reflects your current situation. You can also personalize the page with icons, cover images, or additional sections for financial goals and notes. That's how to create a debt tracker in Notion. Thanks for watching.